you wondered why some videos have captions, beautiful captions that can attract somebody's attention? Have you wondered why some just have some kind of boring captions that in fact you might hardly want to look at, or probably the fonts don't look beautiful? Yes, YouTube have its own captions, and these captions are for those who are eligible. Some videos don't have captions. I've noticed that some of my videos here on YouTube don't have captions. Captions are amazing ways that you can make your video stand out. Yes, have you seen videos with beautiful captions and it makes the viewer glued to that particular video for a long time? Sometimes people take a look at the background or just the captions. Now, captions also have a way of making even those who are visually impaired to be able to understand what you are saying in your videos and be able to relate with whatever you are talking about in your videos. But by the end of this video, I will also be showing you how you can use this particular app to also remove your backgrounds very easy. And the good thing about it is it has so many features that are not even pro yet. Okay, maybe they will still have a time to pro to it, but for now, so let's take advantage of it and make sure we use it to our own benefit. As easy as possible, and it is free. Yes, guys, it also have where you can test your videos. You can turn your videos into test. It also have a way that it will filter that particular captions, thereby removing English, yes, wrong words that are not supposed to be in that video. So this particular app have a way of doing it. It has so many features that you will enjoy. Okay, so quickly let us dive into my phone screen and I will show you how you can use this particular app very easy in less than few minutes. Let us dive in. So guys, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using an app. Go to your Google Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store, go to your Play Store and type vmake AI caption, or you type CapCap. Okay, so just type CapCap CapCap is also known as vmake AI caption. Okay, here I've already installed mine, so this is it. You just open it. Let's hold on. I already have it, so let me just go to my app. Is open. It will bring you here. Okay, if you need to sign up, you just sign up with them. Okay, it will bring you here. When it bring you here, now free caption, you see free caption, you see create talking video, you click on it. When you click on it, it will take you straight to your gallery. Okay, so let's just choose a particular video. I'll click on this, any video of your choice that you want to create caption, and then you click on start. When you click on start, it will start generating subtitle, targeting uncleared speech, targeting repetitive speech. Okay, this is how it will filter everything that is not supposed to be there. Okay, so once it is done generating, it is still generating, so let's just give it a little time. Okay guys, it has finished generating. Now take a look at this. It's already detected silence 1.92 seconds. I was silent. Delete 3 items. Now these 3 items, if you found this video, are you seeing that it's repetitive? Okay, so they will tell you to delete it. Now where silence is, you have to delete it. Okay, so let me just delete this. You see that those 3 clips have been deleted. It will help you filter something that is not useful. Okay, now since it's like this, I do not like the templates that it's using, so I need to change template. Okay, so I will just go to template below here. Now these are their templates. Anyone that has a crown is showing that is a pro, so you need to pay for it. So in a case where it's just free like I'm using, so you will just come and use any of it. Let's just okay, this is pro. Okay, this is what I prefer using anytime I am using this app. Okay, so now it is in process. It is changing that particular template for me to the one that I choose. Are you seeing? So once this is done, let me just pause it so you hear what I'm saying. Once this is done, it is free. You click on save. Okay, are you seeing it's saving? It is saving. Okay, let's just hold on in a few seconds. Okay, Fine. This has saved successfully. Then you click on done. Automatically, this has moved to your gallery. But meanwhile, before we get to our gallery, can you take a look at their features? They have AI thumbnails. So if you want automatic thumbnails, it also have video to test, more tools, remove background. It also have an enhancer, a voice enhancer. Okay, when you click on more tools, you see teleprompt. I don't know if you know about teleprompt. Teleprompter is those who are shy about what they need to say on camera because they don't know what to say on camera. So this teleprompt will go a long way to help you. Okay, and AI power. Okay, so this is how you can change your captions. Okay, you can put amazing, outstanding captions. This is just how you can do it. So guys, once this is done, let us quickly move to our gallery to be sure that our video have done the right thing. Okay, so this is the video. This is the video. Are you seeing? So you can just so you choose any template of your choice. This is how your video will come out beautiful, and the captions are beautiful. You can use it for your AI, you can use it for any faceless tutorial or whatever you want to use it for. Okay, it can go for any video. So guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Chomsy Tutorial Zone. On this channel I talk about YouTube growth, making money, and how you can edit your videos to stand out like a professional video. If you are a new subscriber here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. You are welcome. You are just the heartbeat of this channel. So please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video is dropping. Thank you. See you next in our next video. Bye.